In this Pasadena Paranormal Case Files, we're back at the Oddfellows Hall in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. In the kitchen, this is a pieced together, raw, unedited video of sessions that took place in the kitchen that evening. Some of the scenes you may have seen already in the documentaries part 1 and 2. Some of them didn't make it. Follow along, let us know what you think, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, we're recording again. Alright, if anybody can come walk in front of this, can you come walk here? Present yourself before me as I present myself before you. Devices sitting here that some of them measure energy, some of them will light up just by your presence, some make noise, some do not. This Bible on the table, can you walk up in front of it on my side of the table and touch it? Somebody able to come in this room and touch that Bible? Let that ball in there. There's a little ball in this cupboard. I'd like you to present you to walk here in front of me. And, whoa. That was not me. I'm moving right now. Can you move in front of this again? I'm going to take a step forward to see where. That's what I have to be on. You see me on this camera to activate it. Alright, so now potentially we both just showed we can set this off. Can you do this again? Can you stand in this area in front of this window in front of me? Fine. Again. There it is. I just set it off. So I'm staying back here, out of its view, out of its detection zone. I'm going to explain this device to you that you hear beeping. So what this is doing is sending out an ultrasonic frequency, sound frequency, and it's gauging how long it takes for it to return. So when something solid like me walks through it, the sound bounces back faster and it knows that's wrong, something's in the way. But I have a theory, because I understand how these sensors work, that you are able to set it off either by changing the temperature of the air in front of it, which makes sound travel faster or slower, so it senses that, or you are actually speaking, but it's such a high frequency, ultrasonic, I can't hear it. But this does, and it's throwing it off and making it think that the timing has changed. I'd like to know what your thought. If you can tell me how you feel you're setting this off.
Brent, you in here?
I am.
Okay. You spend some time here?
Just a few minutes, 4 more minutes. Where you?
Go.
Are you comfortable with this? Are you getting comfortable with this? Understanding that we're not here to share protected secrets that you have. We're not here to shed any type of negative light on anyone that was in here or is in here or anything done here. We just want to know what was done here, who you are, know your stories, understand you, confirm that someone's here, and be able to let the caretakers of this building know that you're here.
So can you step back into the beam and set this on command, Brent, while you were out?
Yeah, I'm nowhere near it.
Is it,
I'm just gonna show on camera. There, I'm way back here.
while you were out, Brent,
Yeah.
I had it on command every time.
And it was definitely staying off for, like, there's no pattern here.
No, there's no pattern.
Okay.
I mean, hey, can you step away from the beam, step to the side so it turns off, please? Flashlights! Okay, step out of the beam, please. Both lights were on.
Both?
Both flashlights came on.
Excitement!
Yeah, what did he get?
Friend, love, truth through his spirit box.
Oh, okay.
Friend, love, truth. Do you know those words?
We're not getting friend love. Oh, but wait a second, the skeleton.
Why is this continually going on?
Okay.
Yes, they're just sitting right here.
I'll see what. You gotta let me finish. Step back into the beam. Let's set this off again, please. Okay. Just to help me show.
No, see?
Now step out of the beam, please.
My hand. You see this? What is it? What is it?
That's me moving.
Me too. Neither one of us are in this thing protection and I don't like that it's just continually going on. I don't understand that. Unless they're doing something right here.
There. Okay. Can you step back into it?
No. Just stay away. I want it off. I want it to stay off until, just stay away from it. Do not come back on. I want to know how you feel. Can you tell me how you feel right now? And can you come in here into the center area of this room and interact with us? Show us your present. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Do you find it easy to turn that light on? Can you interact with other devices in this room? Can you walk in the middle of this room for us? K2's still on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you speak to the device across from me? Channel your voice through whatever means, whether it's RF or just manipulating that static and however you do it. Speak through this device so that we can hear your voice. Walk here. That is still on. Is this green light still on? Yes. Alright, so our microphones are still working. If you hear something from that speaker, it's because it's hooked into this microphone. So it's a kind of a live EP test.
Yeah.
He's doing something there. I'm going to grab my other little camera
Okay.
and we'll just have to deal with that for right now.
So can you tell me if you're an adult male? Are you a child? Are you a female?
Can you tell us what made you scream? Were you injured? Okay. That's all. Thank you. Can you turn the light back off? All the way, please. Thank you. Are we talking to one person? Are we talking to two people? Are we talking to more than two people? What month it is?
Oh, anything?
What year did you come here? Are you married? Do you have children? Who touched me on my back?
Please go on, Amy.
Oh,
I think we can
yes.
Let's take a break. We just got really good.
You just don't touch on her back, I don't know my knees.
All right, so we got a camera recording in here, right?
And I think we're off once,
Yeah, I think they're off once.
then it's
Yep.
Okay.
So I guess the same person that walked from this, possibly?
Possibly. Cool. All right, let's get with the boys.
Who's in this that has been coming up on me? What's your name? Speak to this device in front of me. You guys are using it out there, or use it in here. I'm too loud. Loud. I'm too loud. What's your name? I'm a little upset that someone was trying to come up on me like that. You're not permitted to come up on me, touch me, trying to take on me. What's your name? Anger, emotion that I'm feeling towards whoever that was, and have a calm, friendly conversation. Love? What does FLT mean?
move one of these cabinets or make the equipment go off over there? Light up one of those lights? What can you tell me about this area? This city? I see the flashlight came on. Can you make the other flashlight come on too? I see that you did make that one come on. Can you make both of them come on? There's two of them, I believe, over there. How are you doing that? Yeah, that's one. Is there two of them there? Can you make both of them come on? No? Can you explain why you can only make one come on? Putting energy into it, or I don't understand how you're even able to do it. Yeah, I mean, I can see that you do it. It's very, it's cool. I just don't understand what you're doing. I'm very curious about that. Can you tell me what you're doing right now to make that light come on? Poking it, touching it, twisting it. Can you say the word that describes your action? Can you move one of those devices? Knock it over, push it down the ground?
Yeah, good.
I feel aggression. I'm trying to let it go, and I don't know if it's from when I came in and it came up on me.
That's funny because, it's called Brent in there.
It's weird. I mean, like, I just try to shake it. I keep saying, look, I'm trying to be cool. I'm pissed off with whoever came up on me. I'm trying to let it go.
In here or
in here. And when I came in and was taking pictures.
Okay.
Now, this interaction with the flashlight, this is good. I'm trying to get it to come on. Alright, Ed, you take it over.
Whoever came in here and decided that they were trying to take something up on Brent, can you give me a name? I want to talk to you personally. That's me on the stove.
Yeah, that was it.
I mean, God, I don't want to do this.
No. Do it. I've already said everything. I've already come against it, and it's been put in place. I just can't shake the fact that I'm angry at that.
Alright, so let's
I'm
just do this
trying to
way.
calm myself down. Like someone who's kind and loving come in. We've been messing with the flashlights, and everything's been calm. I just need to get myself just let it go. Just stop being angry.
Whatever is decided, I was going to come in and come up on Brent or whatever. I don't even know who it is or what it is.
Yeah, I asked that too, and got nothing. So some low tone stuff came.
I mean, I hate to say it like this, but if you're going to hide in the shadows like a coward, then you don't belong coming up on somebody.
I actually said the same thing. If you're going to be that coward enough not to tell me your name, that's not being a man.
But guess what? When Brent leaves here, you're still stuck here. So you might as well take the chance to talk now.
Yep.
And you ain't got a few minutes left anyway as it is.
Alone?
Yeah. Well, if you're going to be alone, you're going to be alone. You're not going. When we walk through that threshold and we walk outside, you are still in here. You're not welcome to go with me, you're not welcome to go with Brent, you're not welcome to go with Desiree, Jack, you're there. You are stuck here.
You're not passing the threshold of this home, knowing it is the Father.
Oh my God.
Your light can get bright as it wants. It's a fact.
We've already said a prayer, we've already been blessed underneath the hand of God and Jesus. We've already gotten powers of the universe on our side forward to bless us and protect us. There is nothing that you can do to get out of here. The only thing that you can do is to stay here, be peaceful, and interact with us.
And speak. We're giving you an opportunity to speak. So speak. Tell us about yourself. If you're angry, why are you angry? There's something you can do to calm you down. I'm going to put it this one. This is a simple one. Point blank. Are you angry that we're here? Do you want us to leave? Say, leave now.
Leave.
Leave.
Okay, well, you know what? Tell you what, we gave you that respect, or you gave us the answer we asked for. You have to agree that you're staying here. Well, you don't have an option.
You don't have an option.
But if we give you what you want, can you at least apologize to Brent? Can you say sorry?
Can we make amends? There was no reason to come up on me like that. I'm a forgiving man. I'd like to leave here with a heart at peace and not be angry with you. I want to come back here and know that
That's a syllable tone.
At first I thought it was a word, and then after when I stopped, it sounded like a tone. But we're going to come back here. I want to know we're coming back to a peaceful environment. I don't want you upset with us. I don't want to be upset with you.
What would you like for us to do? Do you want to be friends? Do you want to make amends? And the light comes on. Okay, turn it off all the way then, please. Just shut it off all the way. That's all I'm asking you to do. We'll ask you one more question. All the way. I need 100% off. Thank you. So, let me ask the question first. I know you're answering it. So shut it off. I have to get the words out to make it just fun.
Let him to rest as well. You're forgiven. I'm not even, it's no longer a thing in my heart.
Okay, the light's on.
Alright.
So I'm going to take it as a sign of a peaceful offering. We're going to respect what you said. And we're going to go ahead, we're going to pack this stuff up and we're going to leave. You're good with that?
Yep, we're going to pack our stuff up. Thank you. And let's look forward to a better, peaceable, trusting, friendship, love, truth, or trust. Is it trust or truth? Trust, truth, whichever one it is. That we have that. I want to leave with that feeling amongst us all, joint feeling.
And you're going to flash us in the light, so I'll take that as acceptance of that.
Acceptance. Alright, I accept it too. Thank you.
There we go.
Thank
That's
you.
what we want. Thank you.